The Ethereum virtual machine is the runtime environment for executing smart contracts on the Ethereum blockchain. Here's how it works. Bytecode execution. Smart contracts on Ethereum are written in high-level programming languages such as Solidity. When a smart contract is deployed to the Ethereum network, it is compiled into bytecode, a series of machine-readable instructions. Decentralized execution. The EVM runs on every Ethereum node, ensuring decentralized execution of smart contracts. Each node processes and executes transactions independently, maintaining consensus on the state of the blockchain. Gas and transaction fees. To prevent abuse and ensure efficient resource allocation, each computational step performed by the EVM consumes a certain amount of gas, a unit of measurement for computational work. Users pay transaction fees in Ether to incentivize miners to include their transactions in blocks and execute smart contracts. Deterministic execution. The EVM ensures deterministic execution of smart contracts, meaning that the outcome of contract execution is the same on every node, regardless of the node's location or configuration. This ensures the integrity and reliability of decentralized applications running on Ethereum. Flexibility. The EVM is designed to be flexible and compatible with various programming languages and development frameworks, allowing developers to build complex decentralized applications with custom logic and functionality.